Finish Strong is our 6-month inaugural mastermind program where we worked with 7 nonprofit organizations throughout the DMV area. And we went from fiscal and financial planning to program and capacity building. And we ended with our grant writing and storytelling. And it was an opportunity for the organizations to literally finish strong, but also starting the year off well. And so we wanted to give them a safe space to be able to share, thinking about the most challenging times that are before them.
Storytelling matters and the data matters, especially for grant writers and our funders both. Something we talked about here, when you're writing your grants, use the KISS method. Keep it simple, stupid. Don't use phraseology and language that it may confuse the organization or the funder, thinking that you know too much. You're not really expressing what your organization is doing for the community itself.
I think everything from beginning to end, all the different modules, there was something that we could take away from. Just in the beginning, it felt almost like it was a coming together of all these different organizations as we're grappling with all the things that are happening in real time within all of our organizations, within the world. The donor landscape was shifting so fast. And so this honestly just became like an organic, safe space for all of us.
It's been amazing having the room filled with other nonprofit professionals that are in the same space and pretty much working towards the same thing, making the community a better place. But having the tools that I received from the Do Good Institute will absolutely help with my career within nonprofit, but then also help our organization. There are some tools that I have already began using. Just having that ability to really speak with others that are pretty much doing similar work has been great and made some really good connections. But I will say I am really happy that I participated, and I will absolutely recommend it to others.